There is still no sign when or regardless of whether the 33 million purported pioneers who mine on the Pi network, Pi, are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around 2 June, still no coins are being exchanged. There have been no exchanges and no fiat rewards, making it challenging to lay out the value of the Pi coin. It's vital to recognize Pi Network's coin from the Pi Network DeFi token, which runs on the Binance (BNB) blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap (Cake) decentralized trade DEX. So what is Pi Network and how can it function? Have you known about the new digital money and are pondering the value of Pi coin as a likely venture? This video gives an outline of what the Pi network plans to accomplish and how Pi cost assumptions have arisen before a solitary coin has been exchanged. What is Pi network? Pi network is a computerized cash project that means to keep digital money mining open in light of the fact that the centralization of original monetary standards like Bitcoin, BTC, has put them past the span of numerous regular clients. The Pi network, created by a group of Stanford University graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi digital currency coins, utilizing its work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a circulated record. Dissimilar to hubs on organizations, for example, Bitcoin that utilization evidence of work, POW conventions, Pi hubs utilize a calculation in view of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes approve exchanges on a disseminated record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles or gatherings of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles construct a worldwide trust network that forestalls deceitful exchanges, as exchanges must be approved on the common record in the event that the believed hubs endorse them. The Pi mining application goes about as a digital currency wallet connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Likewise with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain. Be that as it may, not at all like other blockchains, its designers have not yet delivered its source code. With marking in view of the number A phase 1 of the task sent off in 2019 on Pi Day, 14 March, with a free Pi mining application. By June 2019, the organization had in excess of 100,000 dynamic clients. After a year, when Phase 2 sent off, there were more than 3.5 million clients. The application began running promotions in May 2020 to give a wellspring of funding to the task. On 15 March 2022, Pi Network declared that the client base had moved to 33 million, a larger number of than multiplying from 14 million in March 2021. As with other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through standard splitting to safeguard its shortage. Dividing is the point at which the quantity of coins a digger gets for handling new exchanges is decreased considerably. It for the most part happens when a specific achievement is reached. Having been tried with local area mediators, the Kick app pilot was conveyed on a restricted premise to begin the most common way of checking pioneers and to work on the application's convenience and machine computerization. The Pi Block Explorer, which assists pioneers with seeing exchange history and investigate exchange information like shipper, recipient and sum, was additionally sent. The Pi wallet was likewise refreshed, empowering the designers to make pop-up messages to caution pioneers when they get an installment on the blockchain and fixing a bug for Android clients who couldn't see their wallet passphrase. Pi Network sent off an encased mainnet on 28 December 2021 to keep testing in front of its full send-off. It likewise presented another mining system and foundation to give pioneers a reenactment of the impending mining equation. The Kick application was at first sent off to 2,000 or 3,000 pilot members for testing, with 100 pioneers allowed per nation or district. The enclosed network time frame implies that the mainnet is live yet with a firewall that forestalls any undesirable outer availability. Trailblazers will actually want to set aside some margin to kick and relocate their Pi to the live mainnet blockchain. Any equilibrium move to the mainnet can be utilized by the decision of the pioneer to buy labor and products in Pi applications, move to different pioneers, or get secured for a span of time for a higher mining rate. On Pi Day, 14 March 2022, the improvement group declared 2 additional updates. The rollout of a mass kick arrangement and another Pi mining component that permits more assorted mining rewards. These activities might actually improve the worth to sponsors. The designers added that they were carrying out kick for an enormous scope to qualified clients on 16 March. What is the fate of the Pi coin? Right now, banter go on about whether Pi network is a benevolent drive or a trick. In the event that it is a trick, it's anything but a customary one in the style of a Ponzi conspire on the grounds that clients are not putting away their cash, they are effective financial planning time on their cell phones. The association has been reprimanded as for purportedly taking advantage of its local area by promoting to arrive at these 33 million clients, which it calls pioneers. That figure comes from the Pi network site and has not been refreshed since 14 March. Notwithstanding, early adopters are collecting Pi crypto in expectation that the cost will rise pointedly after the organization goes live. Albeit the coin's mining rate has been diminished by splitting, clients can expand their mining rate by associating with other dynamic diggers. New clients can join the Pi network in the event that they have a reference code from another client. The venture's engineers guarantee that security on the Pi network is improved by these individual organizations, empowering clients to get loved ones, fueling suspicion that it very well may be a staggered showcasing or fraudulent business model. In any case, it is actually quite important that clients can acquire coins from their own immediate organizations and not from their association's organizations, likewise with a MLM plot. Pi network has kept on demanding it isn't running an underlying coin offering, ICO, or crowdfunding deal, and coins that can be mined on the encased mainnet presently stay in the environment. On 12 March, the designers said that the enclosed network period will give pioneers time to elapse kickcheck, change the mainnet, and add more applications. They didn't say when the organization will become open, just that the enclosed network time frame is in accordance with Pi's vision of a utility-based biological system and its iterative way of thinking. While the cost of Pi still can't seem to be laid out, some digital money spectators have previously begun to make Pi crypto cost forecasts. The coin could exchange at a normal of $0.0127 in 2022 and $0.0212 by 2025, showing conceivable